What is that?
It's for the police.
Good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today I'm with Alex. How are you today, sir? Alex, you know where we're going to today?
No plans.
Yeah, me neither. I don't have anything to do. We're just going to kind of wing it, right? What did you say earlier? You said no plans are the best plans?
Yeah. All
right, let's live by that strategy today and see what we get into. Let's ride around for a little while, grow an appetite, and get some food. Rough. Alex, 50 degrees Fahrenheit, and you're wearing short sleeve shirt and no socks. How are you comfortable, dude? It's freezing out. I don't know how he's doing it. Look at this, dude. It's 50 degrees Fahrenheit out here. I'm freezing. I'm wearing a thick leather jacket, long sleeve shirt, and thermals underneath my jeans, man, and I'm still cold. Damn it. God damn. Okay, that's it. I'll be back again. Man, this is a cool little road, man. I don't know why I don't travel it more often. Look at all this gravel. That's bad. Bad. I'm hungry, dude. Are you hungry?
A little bit, yeah. I thought we were going down the coast.
Yeah, we're working our way down there. I don't know any restaurants on PCH.
All I know is like, Jesus Christ.
Why are these things not popping? I couldn't imagine riding a motorcycle in any other state. It's lane split and stuff. It's the only way to do it. Let's go in there.
I'll follow you.
I think there's a Mexican restaurant over there. Should we try it? Let's go! Sabrosada?
Sabrosada, yeah.
Sabrosada.
Sabrosada.
Sabrosada. What is that?
It's for the police.
Oh.
Peeling out of my parking lot.
Alright, let's go somewhere else. This place smells good, though. Out of my way, Chris! Did a couple donuts in a parking lot, and the dude's got to be all bent out of shape, track me down across the parking lot, and call the police. Why's everybody got to be so sensitive? That guy sucks. Oh, hell no. That's unnecessary. Good job, Alex. Glad I'm following you. That's a nice car. Let's go down there and look at the water. Is my lens free and clear of bugs and debris?
Yeah.
What do you think there, Alex? You can go swimming?
There's sharks in there.
There's a lot of sharks in there. Some of you guys follow me on Instagram, some of you may not, but if you do, then you would see that I've been posting photos of my Voss Signature Series helmet. Very excited about it. If you guys are into it, I'd sure appreciate the support, man. Link in the description of the video.
They say most people don't die from shark attacks because you just lose a leg. You don't die. But what are you going to do with one leg?
Wouldn't be doing a lot. What's that?
Nice.
Oh, thank you so much. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's a bunch of boats out there. They're following a whale. Just as I pulled my camera out to hit record. Anyway, just as I pulled my camera out to record the whale, I realized there's no battery in the camera. So I missed the shot. Yeah, there was a whale. You saw the spout, you saw the tail, you saw the whole thing. It was pretty awesome. It was epic. Unfortunately, I won't be able to share it with you because I'm stupid. Can we get with the program, dude? This place right here, Las Brisas, it's so good. Get the lobster bisque. Won't be disappointed. Dumbass Prius. Oh man, look at this thing. Out of my way, Prius. Why haven't we eaten yet? I know why we haven't eaten yet. Because that guy called the police on me. Chased us out of the Mexican restaurant. Alright, let's start looking for somewhere to eat, man. Look at this. Oh my god, tacos. Papa's Tacos. I don't want to sit outside. My friends call me Nova, as in Casanova. There's got to be something to eat here. Alright, Dana Point. Coastal town. It's Taco Bell. We know he's got a Taco Bell. This is why I always decide what I'm going to eat before I leave the house. Otherwise, I drive around for hours trying to decide on something. It's sad, isn't it? Slug bug. Pow. Thai massage. Chronic Tacos. Have you ever eaten at Chronic Taco?
Never. You have a piece of wood in there?
Yeah.
Why?
It's where my headlights mounted to. What do we got here? That's the spot. That's where we're gonna eat. Look at this parking. I'm craving a California burrito. Alex, what happened? Line was too long or what?
Yeah, 15-minute wait.
Let's go get some Chronic Tacos. I told you, I'm indecisive. How annoying. I love that wheel spin. Let's go forward. We'll park over there. Yeah, there it is. All right, Chronic Taco. This time, no change in our minds. I don't know. What'd you think? Chronic Taco. Did you go back?
Taco was good, but it was pretty overpriced, I thought.
$3.50 for a taco?
Yeah.
Kind of a lot of money. I like my food. Chronic Taco's pretty good. What do you want to do now? You want to ride around?
Yeah, I'm down.
Can I get boogers and cum on that? Oh, it's freezing, dude. It always feels colder after you eat. Let me tell you why. It's because your body's using all your energy to digest that food that you just ate. I don't know if that's real or not, but it makes sense to me. So far, today's been pretty fun. No rhyme or reason, man. We're just riding around, enjoying the day. Slug bug. It's punch buggy, no punch backs.
Cool, brother.
Thanks, man. Come on. I'm gonna race you to the other side of this intersection, and we're gonna do it for pink slips. I'm gonna win a brand new bike right now, guys. He's such a cheater. And I still won. I think I won. Either way, he cheated, dude. He cheated so bad. You want a rematch? This is a long ways. He might beat me. That bike might just pull ahead. Yeah. I won. Okay, and with that, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't yet, subscribe. Check out SuburbanDelinquent.com. Get all the latest, greatest. I'm always adding new stuff there. Also find out how to get one of these exhaust pipes. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're aware of when I do upload a video. Be part of that notification squad. Make sure you support the channel sponsors, Voss Helmets, Metric Method Cycle, and the law offices of Henry Haddad. And I'll catch you guys later. Cue the bikini girl.